This is our weekly focus board for September the 21st through the 25th. Our letter is D, our number is 4, our color is green, and our shape is rectangle. Our I can statements for this week are: I can identify the letter D, I can recognize the number 4, I can identify rectangles, and I can identify the color green. It's time to say the pledge. Everyone stand up and put your right hand on your chest. Ready? Say it with me. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Hey boys and girls, it's our circle time. The first thing we're going to talk about is our letter this week, and our letter this week is the letter D. This is my capital D, my uppercase, and this is my lowercase d. And we have a picture of a duck here. And duck starts with the letter D. And the letter D makes the d sound for duck. All right, let's turn the card over and see how we do it in sign language. Here is my letter D in sign language. You're going to do your fingers like this. Have your one finger sticking up. This is the letter D in sign language. All right, let's see. What letter is this? This is the letter D. This is the capital D, the uppercase. We have one straight line down, and then we have a curved line that starts at the top and curves all the way down to the bottom. Let me show you how to draw it. So when I'm going to write an uppercase D, I'm going to draw one straight line down, and then I'm going to start at the top. That's a little crooked. Let me try that again. One straight line down. Then I'm going to start at the top, and I'm going to curve it around to the bottom like that. That's a capital D, uppercase. And if we want to draw the lowercase d, we're going to draw a straight line down, and then we're going to make a little circle on this side, like that. That's my lowercase d. Okay, let's see. Let's see what our motion card is. We have a letter D here. We have a little picture of a dog. That starts with the letter D. Do you hear that? Dog. All right, so it says, hold your hands like paws and pretend to dig in the dirt. So that's going to be our motion for the letter D. Hold your hand like paws and pretend to dig in the dirt. All right, that is our motion card. Okay, now let's see what is in our letter bowl. What letter is this? It's our letter D. So everything that I pull out of my letter bowl is going to start with the D sound. Remember? Okay, so here's my first item. It is a duck. Do you hear that? Duck. Just like on this card. All right, let's see. Next, what do I have? Ooh, this might be some of your favorites. What is this? This is a dinosaur. This could be my favorite. What is this? It is a donut. A yummy donut. Oh, I have another one. This was on our motion card. What is this? This is a little dog. Dog. We have another one. What is this? It is a dolphin. And I have another one. Some of you may know what this is. It's called a domino. All right. What letter is this? This is the letter D. That was my capital D. What is this one? Is it a D? That's my lowercase d. And what sound does the letter D make? D. Good job. Now we're going to talk about our number for this week. Our number this week is the number 4. Let's see what's on the back. We have bananas. Let's count and see how many there are. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bananas. Can you hold up 4 fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. All right, now we're going to clap our hands 4 times. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Now let's look at our color for this week. Do you know what color this is? It is green. I like the color green. Do you? I have something that is green. Look, this is my little turtle friend. He's green. Now let's talk about our shape this week. Our shape is a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. But it's a little different than the square because it has 2 sides that are long and 2 sides that are shorter. That makes it a rectangle. All right, let me show you a block here. Is this a rectangle? Let's see how many sides it has. 1, 2, 3. Think it's a rectangle? How many sides does a rectangle have? It has 4. This only has 3. What shape is this? It's a triangle. All right, what about this block? Is this a rectangle? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides. A rectangle has 4 sides. Let's check one more thing. Does it have 2 sides that are longer and 2 sides that are shorter? It does. Here's a rectangle. It's a block from our block center. That's it for circle time. I hope you all have a good week and you are making me very proud. I hope to see you soon.